Hello, it's BananaLlama here from BunnyBlocks, and today I have the second ever bake-off box from March 2021. I've made this video using stop motion animation, just like my last video, so let's open the box. So this month's recipe is mini banana and walnut loaves with buttercream and banana chips on top. Can't wait for this. And so inside the box is a checklist of ingredients included and what I also needed, the recipe. There is also some walnuts, light brown sugar, icing sugar for the buttercream, caster sugar, a mix of flour, baking powder, bicarbonate of soda and cinnamon, banana chips, a silicone tray and a piping bag. So I also needed butter, 3 bananas, a pinch of salt and some eggs. Compared to last month's box, I needed a lot less extras. Okay, so to begin with, I mashed the bananas and lined the silicone moulds, and then, following the recipe, I added the light brown sugar, some butter and the caster sugar into a bowl. I did need to use our electric whisk to mix it up, but a wooden spoon also works. Right, so next, the recipe said to add some egg and some flour, mix it up. The rest of the egg, mix it up. Some more flour, then after mixing again, the rest of the flour. The recipe was very simple and easy to follow, and I really enjoyed making this recipe. And finally, to the mix I added the delicious mashed bananas and walnuts. So then I put the mix into the trays and they went in the oven for roughly half an hour. So while they were in the oven, I made the buttercream with softened butter and sifted icing sugar. I mixed it together with a wooden spoon and that worked fine. So now everything is ready to assemble. So we have the cooked and totally cooled loaves, buttercream, banana chips and chopped walnuts on top. And now they are completely finished. These mini loaves are absolutely delicious. The recipe was fantastic. I didn't need too many extra ingredients and the box came with the silicone tray which will be reused a lot. So thank you for watching this review. It is quite a short video and I had to talk quite fast for most of it, but I hope you enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed making it using stop motion animation. Thanks for watching, bye!